Alright, well, Otis, as you see from my table behind me, which is now empty, I am done welding for the week. The reason is because all the panels have been welded, ground, and are now ready to be painted. So, the next time you see me or see a video from me, I will be broadcasting from the paint booth. And there is Miss Tallulah, who yesterday got sprayed by a skunk. That's right, look at her, trying to act like she doesn't smell like Pepe Le Pew. Jeez. Anyways, like I said, next time you see a video, I'll be broadcasting from over here in the paint booth. Then, after all these panels are painted, I will safely transport them to the job site where they will be assembled into a fence. And that is about it for this portion of the update on the fence.